Well, hello, Billy. This is Dave from ChiefTutor.com. Thanks so much for your email. You wanted to draw a little barn with what do you call it? Gambrel roof style. Yeah, that's pretty easy on Chief. So I think you could just do it yourself pretty easily. Let's walk you through. I did like a basic one here. We'll go ahead and do this step by step so it makes sense for you. So first thing you want to do is just starting with your wall tool, draw out your barn. And once you do that, you can use this automatic dimension tool and shows you all the dimensions around. I believe your email, you were asking for a 16 by 32 shed. Okay, so we'll do 16 feet here. And we'll select this wall, click on this dimension, do 32 feet there. Okay, then the next thing you want to do is build the roof. And there's the roof tools right over here. And if I hit build roof planes, it'll do it automatically for me, which is nice. I could set the pitch to whatever I want, and then I can go through the other specifications. Down here in roof styles, this will give you a step-by-step direction on how to use the different roof styles if you ever do forget. So the gambrel roof is right there. But basically, this is how it works. So it went ahead and generated a roof, and let's go ahead and take a look at this roof. And oh yeah, I had the previous wall there. So your house should look like this, or your shed should look like this starting out. Okay, let's drag this image over here so we can see what we're doing while we're working with the plan. First thing we want to do is select these two walls. So I'm clicking on the first wall, holding down shift and selecting the second wall. And I want to make them both gable walls. Chief has a great little new icon they added over the last couple of episodes where they have this button here that automatically changes specific walls to gables or back to hip roofs. It's really kind of a cool little feature. So now that we got that going on, I'm going to select this wall and shift select now that wall. And I'm going to open them up. And I'll notice that I have in the roof area an ability to manipulate the roof pitches. So I'm going to change this roof upper pitch to 3. And then I'm going to select upper pitch. Sorry, so that'll be the lower pitch. I'm going to select upper pitch, and I'm going to change that to, actually, I think I'm doing that backwards. I think that should be 3, and this should be more like, let's say 18. Right? Right. Okay, yeah, because it's got the first pitch at 18, and then it bends into 13. So you can see pretty easily and pretty quickly I can make a shed, right? And I'm going to go in here, and if you see a ceiling here, just double click into the room and change your room to garage, which I had already done on the previous step. But sometimes it's set to like unspecified, and unspecified will show you like a ceiling in a room. Just double click into that room, and you can do it over here on this plan as well. And if you choose garage and go over to structure and remove the ceiling over that room, it'll build it more appropriately for you. And that's kind of how you do it. And so why don't we just put a little garage door in there? Does it look like yours had a garage door on the front of it? And call it a gambrel roof. And of course, you can raise the roof or manipulate the roof or double click the roof and change the roof pitches one at a time, or you can go back into the two walls there on the right and the left and open it up and change the pitch or change the height at the starting point. You can manipulate all these things, which makes it really easy. You can also do it in the 3D, which is neat too. So if I select one of the roof planes, hold down shift and select all 4 of them, I've still got the grab handle, which I can literally just move up and down. And it was just saying there that first time, it's like, hey, you want to turn off automatic roofs? Because I already had automatic roofs on. But it's a pretty simple, easy thing to do in the gambrel roof because you're using Chief Architect. You got the power to make things happen lickety split. All right. Hope you learned something new. Talk to you soon.